Concealed in landscapes across the planet, the view from above reveals perplexing patterns, hiding secrets of the natural world and forgotten human exploits. Untold stories ready to be uncovered from the skies. This is Utah. In the open terrain south of Salt Lake City, there are vistas that will take your breath away. It's a parade of stunning landscapes, showcasing sand-colored hills and rock formations. Until this.
Whoa! Stripes galore.
Brilliant bands of color. The patterns are wild.
Absolutely magnificent.
It's gorgeous, but I'm confused. What is causing this?
This cluster of contoured hills boasts an unexpected and hypnotic pattern of polychrome stripes.
And the gradients of maroons and burgundies and crimsons, I mean, damn.
These strange formations are known as the Rainbow Hills. With an elevation of over 1,500 meters, they're almost as tall as 5 Eiffel Towers.
If we look at the Rainbow Hills and the view directly above them, the stripes transform into swirly rings.
I mean, just look at that. They seem alive, like a giant coral reef.
Or maybe some kind of fancy fungi.
It's mesmerizing to look at, but what created those stripes and how?
I want to know why these colors are here.